friends, welcome back to Kalaposhana. This is Vishnu. I hope you all are doing good. In today's project, I'm gonna make a easy home decor or garden decor using terracotta pots. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. For this project, I am using terracotta pots in different sizes, 1.5 inch, 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch and a 3-inch terracotta plate. All these terracotta pots except for this 3.5 inch terracotta pot I got at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I was not able to find the 3.5 inch terracotta pot, so I got this pot in Joann's. Here I am using Gorilla Glue to attach these terracotta pots. I have some acrylic paints here, some paint brushes, pencil to mark my design. I'm using some dotting tools. Here I have some wood beads and beading wire along with a cotton cord which is 3 mm in size. Please do check out video description. I have provided links for all the items that I have used in this project. To connect these pots, I am using Gorilla Glue, which is multi-purpose and used for ceramics and terracotta pots. I am attaching this 1.5 inch terracotta pot on top of this 3.5 inch terracotta pot. This is my doll's base and this is the body. So this pot, I'm just turning it around. So this will be placed like this, where I'll be creating the face of the doll. Make sure you close the cap all the time. It's gonna take over 1 hour for the glue to dry. Here is the test. I am pulling these pots really hard and they are very well connected. So please use a glue that is used for terracotta pots or ceramics. Now I'm gonna draw the outline of the face and also the dress design. Here I am using yellow color for the skirt and pink color for the dupatta. You will need 2 or 3 coats to get the perfect color. So I'm gonna do like 1 coat, wait, let it dry completely and do 1 or 2 coats more to get the color perfect. Using these wooden beads, I'm gonna create hands to this doll. Just attach these wooden beads with the glue as shown here.
All I want
decorate these mini dolls, here I am using mini succulent plants and mini terracotta pots where I painted some terracotta pots. Some I left it as is where I added some small design. Using these terracotta plants, I'm gonna place on top of these dolls like this, and my decor is completed. Here is the final reveal of my project. Very easy garden decor or home decor that you can easily make at home. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you very much for watching.